Today, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Tactix 7 AMOLED Edition Premium Tactical GPS watch. We would recommend you charge your watch for 2 hours before heading out on your adventure. Pro tip: for longer adventures, you can always keep your charging cable handy to charge up on the go. You can even use a UL licensed power bank. If your compatible smartphone supports reverse charging, you can connect directly to the device to charge your smartwatch. When ready, press the Start-Stop button on the top right of the watch. Use the up and down buttons on the left side of the watch to scroll through the language options. Press the Start-Stop button to select your language. Next, we'll pair your compatible smartphone with your watch. Select the check mark to begin. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. If you already have the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone, scanning this barcode will direct you to the device search screen. For new customers, scanning the code will direct you to install the Garmin Connect application. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect app. Select Sign In if you already have a Garmin Connect account. In this video, we will be creating a new account. Select Create Account. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter your information. The app will now begin searching for your device. For new or existing customers, select Connect It when the app recognizes your watch. Your watch will automatically associate the code displayed on the watch in the Garmin Connect app. Select Pair. Then follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user preferences. To complete the app setup, select Finish. The app will offer to guide you through enabling key features and services. You can choose to proceed with the app or dismiss. Now that your watch and smartphone are paired, your watch will display the watch face with the date and time. As you start using your watch for the first time, helpful tips will display, enabling you to learn more about the watch. Your Tactix 7 AMOLED also includes a touchscreen that you can use to operate the watch. For example, you can tap on the screen to enable the backlight. You can scroll through the pages by swiping up or down. Tap an option to select it. Swiping right will take you back. Covering the screen with your palm will return to the watch face and disable the backlight. To learn more about using your touchscreen, see the owner's manual at support.garmin.com. To get to your activity list, press the Start-Stop button. By default, the Tactix 7 AMOLED will have a preset activity list. However, at the bottom of the activities list, you can select Add. Then scroll through the list and select the activity you want to add by pressing the Start-Stop button. Next, confirm where you want to place it in your list. Then repeat this process to add other activities. To start an activity, select it with the Start-Stop button. Then wait for your watch to receive a GPS signal. Once acquired, press the Start-Stop button to begin the activity. And that's it. Your Garmin Tactix 7 AMOLED Edition Premium Tactical GPS watch is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.